Welcome to my video on Singapore National Day 2026 fireworks tips that you might find useful. In this video, I will share some basic info on the camera settings used, some pictures of fireworks I captured and also the NDP fireworks and timings. Take note of the correct settings so you do not get over or underexposed pictures. A stable tripod and cable release are necessary gear for good long exposure photography. For better shutter control, set the shutter speed to bulb setting. You can then control the shutter start-stop with the cable release. A main picture of subject, the National Stadium if you have it as the key focal point, should be taken before the start of the firework. This base frame is to be used as the master copy in the composite of several other frames of your favorite firework burst patterns. This stacking of pictures can be carried out using Photoshop or other commercial available software. For more detailed explanation on how to do composites, please feel free to drop me a message in the comment box below. Do you have any plans to enjoy the festivities at Kallang Basin? It will be a different experience from the previous National Day Parade held at the Podar. Sincere appreciation for watching. Do subscribe for more updates.